welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 9 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be doing the By Nature Purifying Charcoal plus Manuka Honey Clay Face Mask. And I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that right. Manuka. Let's do a little Google on that. Manuka. Manuka. Okay, so it's Manuka Honey Clay Face Mask. And let's see, activated charcoal draws out impurities, nourishing and soothing. Activated New Zealand Manuka Honey revitalizes dull skin. Once again, this is another one from New Zealand. I really like these ones. And it says, purify your skin with this intensely nourishing face mask. Activated charcoal removes impurities from the skin, while New Zealand activated Manuka honey provides nourishment and protection. And then active Manuka honey, unique to New Zealand, is renowned for its remarkable soothing, nourishing, and revitalizing properties. This exceptional, scientifically proven bioactivity of this unique active Manuka honey helps to stimulate and promote healthy looking skin. My Lord, that's a lot of info. All of these have so much info on them. I need to take my contacts out tonight. My eyes itch so bad. Activated charcoal can bind other substances on its surface, so it makes light work of removing trapped dirt and oil built up on your skin, while also cleansing, purifying, and balancing skin oil levels. It's nature's busy little multitasker for great skin. Step 1, give your face a quick cleanse and pat dry to remove any surface dirt and makeup. I've done that. Step 2, gently squeeze the sachet to disperse the contents. Apply the mask in a thin, even layer to cheeks, chin, T-zone, and forehead. It's basically your face. And step 3, lie back and relax and let the goodness condition your skin for the next 10 minutes. Step 4, clean the skin with warm water and pat dry. Follow with your normal skincare routine. And then I have a little container that I'm going to put it in, a brush, and then I got my scissors here to cut it open. Okay, so that is the contents there. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting it to be dark, even though it has charcoal. I guess I was expecting it to be like a honey color. Just my train of thought. But that's fine. It's got charcoal in it, so it should be dark, right? It smells like honey. Smells better than the apple one. Okay, so I got pretty much all of it out of there. See, there's still a little bit on the brush, but whatever, not a big deal. I just want to say that application was so smooth. Sometimes when you do clay face masks like this, they get kind of like splotchy or whatever. You know, there's parts where it's like really thin and other parts where it's really thick. This just went on really smooth, really even. It was so easy to apply. Thumbs up to that. It smells good. I can already see that it's starting to dry, so it's obviously going to be very fast drying. So I'm going to go ahead and get this clock set because I don't want to leave it on longer than you're supposed to, because you're really not supposed to do that with clay mask. I do it all the time though, but you're really not supposed to let them dry all the way, but sometimes it happens. So we are going, I've got 10 minutes counting down, and I'm going to go relax for a little bit, and when I come back, we will wash it off. Alright, so we are back. It has been the 10 minutes and it's almost all dry. You can tell where it's still like wet at. The darker spots are where it's still all wet at. And is starting to crack up on my chin from talking, so I'm going to go wash this off real quick, and then we'll come back and let you know what I think about it. So I am back. I have got the face mask washed off. I don't know if it's just me. I feel like I see dark stuff like on my face. Let me look closer here. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay, so let's see what the claims are here. Draws out impurities, nourishing, smoothing, and revitalizes dull skin. Okay, so as far as impurities, once again, I do not know because I would think you would need something in depth to look into your skin, so I don't have anything like that. And I feel clean, but honestly, my face feels a little dry. It doesn't feel nourishing to me or soothing. I feel like I need to definitely go put on moisturizer. Revitalizes dull skin. Yeah, I mean, I look like a little brighter. I wouldn't say glowing necessarily, but I definitely look brighter, so I will give it that. But I don't know about the impurities. I do look brighter, and as far as nourishing and soothing, I don't think so, because I feel like I really need to go put on moisturizer right now. I don't think this is a bad mask. I don't know if I would necessarily purchase it again, I don't really feel like it did anything great for me. So that's that on this mask. If you have tried this mask yet, or if you're going to go pick it up, please comment down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.